Welcome to yet another episode of the Srad channel. If you have seen the previous video, you will know that Rob crashed our bike during the last track day in Solder. Don't worry, he is fine, you will see him later in the video. And this is like a short damage report video. So here you can see the broken parts of the bike, mainly the rear set, the crash pad, the whole fairing is broken. And this the rear subframe where you sit on is badly bent, so we need to change out those parts. Fortunately, we have some spare parts lying around in our garage, so mainly we just have to order a new subframe and a new set of fairings, and then this bike should be good to go out again. I don't think that this will happen this year. Because the track day season is almost over, and so we have some time over the winter to fix all the parts, and then start with a great fresh bike for the new season. The track day was a success. The engine is running fine. The only thing that we have that we need to figure out is some pre-detonation, some engine knocking. So when the engine is really hot, when you come in after a turn, you can hear this knocking. And yeah, first I would like to try different spark plugs, because right now we are running the Gsx-R9E, which are the standard spark plugs for this bike. And I try to switch to CR10Es, which should run a lot cooler. Maybe this fixes these pre-ignition problems, and if this doesn't do the trick, we will switch from the 102 octane fuel we used during the track day to aviation fuel like avgas, which is leaded and should fix all the problems we have with the detonation. So yeah, this bike is almost done for the season. But if you noticed in the early videos, we have a second Srad, and we take our time to prepare this bike as well for the upcoming season. So we have two bikes than just one.